Hey, all right everybody, how's it going? Now then, a company's reached out to me called Techtron and they've sent me an electric scooter. Now, I haven't opened it up at all yet, I haven't looked at it, so we're going to open it up in a minute. But I did look at the box when I was taking it out of the car and I seen on the end, it did say that rider age should be between 16 and 50. Now I'm 53, so it must be, you know, brittle bones at my age don't fall off. But it also says it does top speed is 25 kilometers an hour, and it says maximum load 120 kilograms, which is pretty good, and it says range about 25 kilometers, so that's pretty good too. But anyway, I haven't seen it yet, I haven't tried it. I'll unbox it, we'll have a better look at it, and then I'll go on a ride and probably fall off, because I haven't ridden a scooter since I was about 10 years old. So it should be a laugh. Anyway, let's unbox it. Okay, so it does come almost fully assembled, except for this top bit of the handlebar here. And this takes 4 bolts, 2 on that side, 2 on that side. And it comes equipped with the actual hex key, Allen key tool and the bolts. So I'll pop some of these out by here. I think it's the smaller one that it takes, if I can get these out of the bag. And I think it's this one here. So the smaller one fits in there. And then you've got to line these up here. I've got to try and find, let me try and have a look down and see if I can find where the hole is. Get it lined up, like that. And then pop the bolt in, like so. And you've got to do this. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. And once they're up, I think that's fully assembled then. So I'll put these 4 in, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Right, okay then, so there you go. It's all unboxed. I've put the bolts on, I've tightened that up, and everything's ready to go. So what I'll do now, I'll bring the camera in closer and we'll have a look. I've also downloaded the app. I'll put the name of the app by here somewhere, and the app does a few things like turn the light on and etc, etc. But I'll bring the camera in, we'll have a close look and see what it's all about, and after that I'll go out and see if I can stay upright on it. So let's have a closer look. Okay then, I'll show you the display. So you just press that button there and the display comes on, and you can see the battery level there, and at the moment the light is green. When you go into the app you can change that and it turn red and you'll have a faster top speed. I'll show the app in a little bit. It's got a rear back brake there and a bell. And obviously the rear back brake goes down to there, and it goes down to the bottom there, and you can see it's got a little mechanical brake there, which is pretty good. It stops the scooter. You have got a side stand. There's a nice big platform to stand on, rear mudguard, and at the back here we got a light, and there's also a brake light. So I'll show you the brake light first. If I pull the brake, there we go. We've got a brake light there. Okay, and then if you hold this button, or if you just press this button when it's on, that turns the lights on. So you've got a back light on there, like that, and you also got front light on there, which is pretty good, isn't it? Integrated lights. And if you look down to the side here, you can see there's a thumb throttle. Now, in the app, you can either have this where you push off and get going, then it works, or you can change in the app later where it'll just work from you know, when you stopped, it'll just take you away. I'm not quite sure what this is for. Can somebody tell me what this is for? I'll probably work it out. Now, it did come with this thing here to put your phone in. My phone won't fit in there. I've got a Google Pixel 6, and it won't, my phone won't fit there because of the battery, not the battery, the camera bit. It won't fit in anyway. So I have got another one which I'll be using to show the app, but this one won't fit my phone. What else we got on here? Let's just have a quick look down here. Like I said, here, this is the folding part here. It's quite easy. It's got a little latch on the side there. There's the front motor in the front there, and I'll show you the other stuff in the app when we get going. Hey, all right everybody, it might be a little bit windy, but this thing is awesome. Hey, it's way more powerful than I thought it'd be. Like I said, I got a back brake. It's stopping me pretty well, look. And I'm going down this hill, quite a steep hill. You can't see it on the camera, but it is quite steep. But anyway, let's get down by and have a laugh. Hey, whoa, oh, doing a bit of a brake skid then. But it says it's a 350 watt motor, but I'm looking down now, it said top speed is 18 miles per hour, which it is doing. I can verify it is doing 18 miles an hour, and I think that's about 30 kilometres an hour. I think that's what it is. But it's a good laugh. And it goes up hills, not big massive hills, but it's not too bad. It's a bit of a laugh. I'll turn around now by here now, see if I can go back up this hill. I don't know if it will, 'cause it's quite steep. But I'll slow down by here. Hope you can still hear me all right, because it's a bit windy and I haven't got the mic in my helmet today. So let's have a look if it does go up this hill. It's going up this hill, but it's going up it very, very slow. We're doing about 6 miles an hour. So I gotta give it a little push now and again, because I'm about 95 kilograms. It does say that this can do 120 kilograms, but obviously when you get on big hills, it's not going to do that fantastically, because it's not a super powered scooter. You've got to remember, this is on sale. Bit windy. This is on sale. Oh, it's a bit windy. Whoa, it's cold. Whoa! It's on sale at the moment for £299. What a bargain! Whoa! Big hills like this, it's not going to go up there with me on it. Yeah, I was coming to a stop, look. So with big hills like that, it's not going to be getting up this big hill. You can't see it, but this hill is really, really steep. I've had e-bikes, 250 watt e-bikes, and they struggle to get up this hill. So I'm actually pushing up here. But when you get on like a mild hill or the flat, it is really good fun. I like it. Now, unfortunately, it's winter, the weather's not that good. I've come up the mountain and it's blinking cold. Yeah, it's bloody freezing. Whoa! And I got a couple of jackets on. But, and I had to wait for the snow to thaw out because it's been snowing here. So this is my first time trying it. And it is a good laugh. Woo! Here we go. Okay then, that was a bit of a fun ride, wasn't it? But I did say we take a look at the app. So I'll open up the app now, I'll get my phone by here, and we'll have a quick look at the app, because the app's quite good as well. So we'll have a look at that right now. Okay then, so here's the app. It says 66% on the app, and it's got miles per hour. You can see on the big screen there. It's got light on and light off. You can see it lights up red when the light is on, and back to white when it's off. You've got speed mode there, look, if I press the speed mode, 1 or 2. If you go into settings, you can see up here, you can either have it in metric or imperial. I have it in imperial because UK's miles per hour. You've got speed mode there, look. Speed mode 2, speed mode 1. But if you go into speed mode 2, you can go right up to 80 miles per hour, and it tells you to accept because the UK speed limit is 15.5. That's for e-bikes. Accept that. You can put cruise control on, cruise control off, and you can set the cruise control speed. And then zero start is if it's off, you've got to push off on the scooter, then this thumb throttle starts working. But if you want the thumb throttle to work from when you just stopped, you'd press that, and it works straight away. If I go backwards there, it's got the connection for the Bluetooth, the cruise is on, you've got trip info look, so when you go out, it'll do all them sorts of calculations for you, which is pretty good, isn't it? I think it's showing, I don't know, it's showing what quite a lot of things on there, isn't it? Total driving time, current speed, blah, 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 etc., etc. So it's nice to come with an app, isn't it? Because it does tell you that you've got 66% battery left, and you know exactly where you are. And it says it's unlocked there, look, see, so you can lock it or unlock it, and like I said, the settings. So it's quite a nice app that goes with the scooter as well. Right, okay then, there you go. It's pretty good, isn't it? £299 in the sale. I think that's a bargain for this. Like I said, it's £299 in the sale, remember that. Even at £399, it's still pretty cheap. So don't expect a big, massive powerhouse of a scooter. But for what it is, it's a really good laugh. I mean, and it's got the app. I mean, and it looks nice. And it looks like good quality as well. So I had a little bit of fun driving around. A little bit cold this time of year, up the mountain. I mean, and the mountain's not the sort of kind of place you go scooting anyway. But like I said, it went about 18 miles an hour, top speed. It is a limited on it. You've got to go onto the app to change it. The speed is supposed to be, I don't know what speed is supposed to be, because there's no legality with scooters in the UK at the moment. It's all a bit of a grey area. The police might stop you. I don't know. But anyway, that's up to you if you ride a scooter or not. But I think for the price of this scooter, it's fantastic. I think it's great. It's good fun. So it gave me a laugh anyway. So anyway, if you like this video, don't forget, give it a like or dislike, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ho-hoy!